how to find H&M promo code online. So the easiest method of getting promo code online is to go to your browser and search for H&M promo code 2023. Now, after you hit enter, you will see a bunch of websites where the promo code or discount codes is given. Here you can see there are tons and tons of websites, and they've got a lot of discounts and codes on their website. Pick up your website. But now I'm going to go with coupons.cnet.com. And after that, here you can see all of the coupons are listed in this all coupons tab. If you just want discount codes, simply click on the discount code. If you want offers, go to offers. And make sure you see these proper dates, because these promos are just for a certain time. Click on show deal and click on continue to the offer, and also don't forget to check up the terms and conditions, and that's it. So this is how you find H&M promo code online in 2023. If you find this tutorial helpful, then subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Till then, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.